Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Now how to work open menu service. Now I work open menu. First of all, go to my website. Open menu. Dot MrProFixer. Now MrProFixer. Now first download shortcut. Now I check my device. Find my device on. First of all. Now find me is on. Now show. Now download shortcut. Now add shortcut. Okay. Now go back. Now start. Okay. Continue. Now signing. Password. Now okay, now share 3 dot and share down, swipe down. Now open my shortcut and just enter, allow. Now done. You do just send any reseller this code. Just this code, send any reseller. 100% you're working. Done. Now I off this phone, find my device. Now I show. Oh, wait. Now this phone find my device off 100%. Now I show open my PC, then connect my PC. Connect. In this phone, I open 3 tools. This trust. Now this one. Now show and my device off. So 100% working done. Enjoy.